The role of an accountant, skills, duties, and career paths. Have you ever wondered what an accountant actually does all day? Is it just numbers and spreadsheets, or is there more to it? The truth is, accountants play a much bigger role than most people realize. An accountant is responsible for managing and analyzing and reporting financial information. In simple terms, they help individuals and businesses understand their money, where it's coming from, where it's going, and what it all means. Let's break it down. Let's break down their main duties. One core responsibility of an accountant is recording financial transaction, every payment, every expense, every income, and needs to be tracked accurately. They also prepare financial reports like income statements and balance sheets, which show whether a business is making profit or a loss. Another key role is handling taxes. Accountants calculate how much tax is owed, ensuring everything is filed correctly, and often help clients reduce their tax liability legally. But modern accountants don't just look at the past, they also help plan the future. They analyze financial data to give advice, improve efficiency, and support better decision making. Now, what skills do you actually need to become an accountant? First, attention to detail is crucial. Even small mistakes can lead to big financial problems. Second, analytical thinking. Accountants don't just record numbers, they interpret them and identify trends. Third, technical skills. Today, accountants use software, spreadsheets, and financial tools daily. Communication is also important. Accountants need to explain complex financial information in a way that clients or businesses can understand. So, what does the career path look like? Most accountants start with a degree in accounting or finance, followed by professional qualification depending on the country. In the UK, this might include certifications like ACCA or ACA. From there, you can specialize in different areas: tax, accounting, auditing, management accounting, or even forensic accounting. Over time, accountants can move into senior roles such as financial controller, financial manager, or even chief financial officer. Here's what it is. Now, here's a common misconception. Many people think accounting is boring or repetitive, but in reality, it's a role that sits at the center of the decision making in any business. Without accountants, companies wouldn't know if they are profitable or heading towards failure. Another misunderstanding is that it's only about math. In truth, it's more logic. It's about logic, structure, and understanding systems than advanced mathematics. So, what's the key takeaway? Accountant is not just someone who works with numbers. They're a financial guide who helps individuals and businesses make smarter decisions. It's a career that combines technical skills, analysis, and real world impact. And once you understand that, you'll see accounting not just as a job but as a powerful role in shaping financial success. If you found this video useful, please, how about I hit the like? Maybe, or even a comment, a feedback, something.